Hello dear student, now we are in the next tutorial of Numpy and here we will see slicing array concept in Numpy. So first you should understand what is slicing concept. So slicing in Python means taking element from one given index to another given index. Means when we want to extract value from particular range, then we use slicing. For example, here in the syntax we have written start and end. Means we specify start index position and end index position, and between that position whatever the values are there that we would like to extract. Okay, so we will take some example. So slice element from index 1 to index 5 from the following array. So this is the example. As you know, this is the import statement of numpy and this is the array declaration. We are having total 7 element and we are extracting the value from index 1 to 5. So index 1. Okay, so index 1 means what? So index 1 means this is the first position. Got it? This is the first position which start with 0 and this is the next position 1. So it start the value from 1 itself because the index position start with 0 and here start position is 1. So this is the element. Up to 5 means this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth position, but it doesn't count the fifth position, means it doesn't count the last index position. So whatever the values are there, it will extract all. So it will extract the value 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see in the output 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it means it start with starting position 1 and up to n minus 1, means here the value is n is 5. So you have to subtract from 1 and it will extract that all the values. So note, the result includes start index but exclude the end index. That is very important. Next example, slice element from index 4 to the end of the array. So fourth position means this is the starting position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth position, means in fourth position we have 5 and up to end means 5, 6, 7. So your output will be 5, 6, 7. Got it? Up to end means all the element up to ending. Next example, slice element from beginning to index 4. So beginning means before colon we don't have any value, so it is starting with beginning means 1. Up to end is 4. So 4 means what happened? You should not count that index, means 1, this is the position 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, but 4 is not included. So up to 4 it will extract all the values. So you see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next example is use the minus operator to refer the index from the end. So minus 3 means you have to count it from the end. So this is 0 position, 1, 2 and 3. So at minus 3 we have fourth element. Okay, so this is the minus 3 position element and minus 1 means here 0 and 1 means this is minus 1. So from this position it will extract the element 6 and 5. It will not count this one. So you see 6 and 5 is available for you. The next example is use the step value to determine the step of the slicing. Return every element from index 1 to 5. So here this is the 0th position 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will not count this 6. So your positions start from here up to here. Means this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it will return every second element. So it will return this 2. Then after that it will skip this element. And it will return this next element. Means from starting position it will return the element. So it will return 2 and 4. Next example, return every other element from entire array. Here we don't have start and end. We are directly providing step value 2. That's why here we have 2 colon. So it start with the beginning, that is 1. Then it will skip the value, then 3. Then it will take 5. Then it will take 7. So in this way it will skip one value and it will start with 0 position. From the second element, slight element from index 1 to index 4 not included. So in this example we are using two-dimensional array. So here in the print statement 1, so here that first value represent the particular row. So this is the first row, you can say here. This is the second row. So here 1 means, as you know, index value start with 0. So 1 means it represent this element and it will extract 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It will not count the 10. So it will return 7, 8 and 9. So you see 7, 8 and 9. Next example, return index 2. So here 0 colon 2, but here we have two dimensional array. So 0 means this first row is known as 0 and this is known as a 1, and we exclude 2. So that's why here we have written 0 to 2. So this is 0 and this is 1. To return second element 0, 1, 2, so it will return 3 element from here, and here it will return the 8 element number 8. So 3 and 8 will be the output, and 0 and 2 will refer the range. Mean this is the, it will take the data from both row. That's why we have written 0 to 2. Then next example is from both the element index 1 to index 4. And here we have again two dimensional array. 0 to 2 means both the rows start with 0 and end with n minus 1, means this is the first one. Then 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means this is the first position value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But it will exclude last value. So this is 1, 2, 3. So it will return 2, 3 and 4. And here it will return 7, 8 and 9. So you see this is the desired output. So in this presentation you have to practice this, and it will help you to clear your doubt.